The following message is transmitted at the request of the Lebanon Police Department. A situation is occurring in and near the city of Lebanon. An unidentified aircraft has been found in northern Kansas, about 2.5 miles northwest of Lebanon. All residents in and near Lebanon are advised to stay indoors and do not go outside for any reason, as it is not known if the aircraft are hostile. Stay tuned to this channel for further information. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Belfort Police Department. An unusual event is occurring in western South Dakota. An unidentified aircraft was located 20 miles north of Belfort. It is not known if this aircraft is related to the aircraft that landed in Lebanon, Kansas. All residents in and near Belfort are requested to stay indoors and to not go outside for any reason, as it is unknown if these aircraft are hostile. Stay tuned to this channel for further information. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Kansas Emergency Management. Suspicious aircraft have now been reported in the following counties: Jewell, Osborne, Phillips, and Rooks. These aircraft originated out of Lebanon. All residents in the listed counties are advised to shelter in place immediately. To shelter in place, go inside. Close and lock all doors and windows. Seal all cracks on doors and windows with tape or damp towels. Stay tuned to this channel for further updates. The following message is transmitted at the request of the South Dakota Emergency Management. Suspicious aircraft have now been reported in the following counties: Harding, Lawrence, Meade, and Perkins. These aircraft originated out of Belfort. In addition, it has now been confirmed that these suspicious aircraft contain aliens. It is not known if these aircraft are hostile. All residents in the listed counties are advised to shelter in place immediately. To shelter in place, go inside. Close and lock all windows and doors. Seal all cracks on doors and windows with tape or damp towels. Stay tuned to this channel for further information. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Federal Emergency Management Agency. A mandatory evacuation has been issued for all citizens who live within 50 miles of Belfort, South Dakota and Lebanon, Kansas. The aliens that originated in the two cities have been confirmed to be hostile and are destroying almost anything and everything within sight. Due to this, all citizens living within a 50-mile radius of the two cities are strongly advised to evacuate immediately. This includes the following counties: in Kansas: Jewell, Mitchell, Osborne, Smith, Eastern Phillips, Western Republic, Northwestern Cloud, and Northeastern Rooks counties. In Montana, Southeastern Carter County. In Nebraska, Franklin, Nuckolls, Webster, Southeastern Harlan, Southwestern Thayer, Southern Adams, Southwestern Clay, and Southeastern Kearney counties. In South Dakota, Butte, Lott, Southern Harding, Western Meade, and Southwestern Perkins counties. And in Wyoming, Northeastern Crook County. All residents in the listed counties are strongly advised to evacuate immediately. It is no longer considered safe due to the alien attacks in these counties. These aliens are likely to completely take over the listed counties within the next 15 to 45 minutes. Evacuate now. To repeat, evacuate now. We interrupt our programming. This is a national emergency. Important instructions will follow. The following message is transmitted at the request of the United States government. This is not a test. To repeat, this is not a test. A confirmed attack is taking place against the United States. Aliens from an unknown location have been reported in multiple states in the United States. The following states have reported alien attacks: Colorado, Iowa, Kansas, Minnesota, Missouri, Montana, Nebraska, North Dakota, Oklahoma, South Dakota, and Wyoming. All residents in the listed states are advised to evacuate to the western or eastern United States immediately. If you do not evacuate, you are putting your life in extreme danger, and may be facing certain death. The alien attacks are expected to spread to the entire United States within the next 6 to 12 hours. The President is expected to speak on all stations shortly. Stand by for this message. This is an emergency action notification. All broadcast stations and cable systems shall transmit this emergency action notification message. This station has interrupted its regular programming at the request of the United States government to participate in the emergency alert system. During this emergency, most stations will remain on the air to provide news and information to the public in assigned areas. This is KTVX. We will continue to serve the Salt Lake City area. If you are not in this area, tune now to a station providing news and information for your local area. You are listening to the emergency alert system serving the Salt Lake City area. Do not use the telephone. The telephone line should be kept open for emergency use. The emergency alert system has been activated. The following message is transmitted at the request of the United States government. The alien attacks have spread in all 4 directions in the continental United States. New states that have reported these alien attacks are Texas, New Mexico, Arizona, Utah, Nevada, Idaho, Washington, Oregon, California, Arkansas, Louisiana, Mississippi, Alabama, Tennessee, Kentucky, West Virginia, Ohio, Indiana, Illinois, Wisconsin, and Michigan. All citizens receiving this broadcast are strongly advised to evacuate to the East Coast immediately. Those who choose not to evacuate will face certain death. Stay tuned to this channel for further information. The following message is transmitted at the request of the United States government. The alien attacks have now been reported in all 50 states, including Alaska and Hawaii. Because the alien attacks have now been reported in all 50 states, all residents of the United States are strongly advised to seek an underground shelter immediately. There is no time to evacuate your area, as you will likely face certain death if you go outside. Stay tuned to this channel for further information. The following message is transmitted at the request of the National Aeronautics and Space Administration. The emergency action notification that was issued for the United States has now been expanded to include the entire planet. Within the past 12 hours, countless reports from across the world have come in saying that cities have reported alien attacks. Cities that have reported these alien attacks are Buenos Aires, Rio de Janeiro, Santiago, Beijing, Bogota, Cairo, Berlin, New Delhi, Jakarta, Tehran, Baghdad, Tokyo, Mexico City, Casablanca, Karachi, Lima, Moscow, Johannesburg, Seoul, Madrid, Bangkok, Istanbul, London, Caracas, and Hanoi. All residents of planet Earth are strongly advised to go as far underground as possible. Do not go outside. You will face certain death. Stay tuned to this channel for more updates on this extremely dangerous and life-threatening situation. This is a global emergency action termination. All clear. The aliens have suddenly vanished from the planet. While it is not known what did or will happen to them, all residents of planet Earth can now leave their shelters. This concludes all operations under the emergency alert system. All normal programming operations may now resume. This concludes all operations under the emergency alert system. All normal programming operations may now resume. We interrupt our programming. This is a global emergency. Important instructions will follow. This is not a test. To repeat, this is not a test. The following message is transmitted at the request of the National Aeronautics and Space Administration. NASA has confirmed a report that an alien fleet in excess of 1 billion is pushing the moon into the Earth. The moon is expected to impact the Earth within the next 3 hours. It is expected to impact in the Pacific Ocean. There is nothing that we can do to stop this. When the moon hits the Earth, colossal mega tsunamis will form, powerful earthquakes above 10.0 on the Richter scale will occur, the ozone layer will be completely destroyed, the Earth's orbit will be drastically affected, Kessler syndrome will take place, and the sun will be blocked completely for at least 10 to 20 years. There is no way that humanity will be able to get through this. Gather all friends and family, and take them to an underground shelter and brace for the end. This is the end of humanity. Your government thanks you for your cooperation, but the end has come. We will all see each other in heaven. This is Tom, the voice of the emergency alert system. All radio and television stations will cease broadcasting to prepare for the end of the world.